Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to choose the right Turbotax product in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to determine your tax situation. So first off, just determine your tax situation, including your income, your deductions, and your credits. So once you have that done, then you move on to step two, which is to compare the different TurboTax products, including TurboTax Deluxe, Premier, and Self-Employed. Now, once you've done comparing, you're going to consider your tax form. So consider the tax form that you need to file, including the 1040 or the Schedule C, as well as the Schedule D. So go ahead and consider all that. And you also got to think about your tax deductions, including mortgage interest, charitable donations, and medical expenses. You got to think about all that when you're trying to figure things out. And then once you have all those done, you'll be able to choose the TurboTax product that best fits your tax situation. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to choose the right TurboTax product in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.